Effective marketing strategy is something that you really need to work on to make yourself stand out among your competitors. And we all know how social media marketing has gained so much popularity in recent years, making it so easy for a business to market its products. But talking about social media marketing, which platform is better? For a while, Facebook presided over the social media scene, and it still does, continuing to be the most popular and utilized social networking platform on the planet. However, there is another platform that comes to mind when considering popularity. Yes, we're talking about TikTok here. The app hit the milestone of 200 billion global downloads back in April 2022. The site has more than 850 million active users worldwide, which is even more significant. Despite setting some incredible records throughout its rapid ascent, TikTok is still miles behind Facebook. But before we make any assumptions, let's analyze both these platforms in detail. So let's get started with the advantages of Facebook ads. With more than 2 billion users per month, Facebook is the most popular social media site worldwide. Any e-commerce company can generate enormous money and achieve great success when using an audience like that. Also, keep in mind that Facebook's platform is how you access Instagram ads. This enables you to simultaneously promote on more platforms and reach more potential clients. The very first advantage you get with Facebook ads is due to the precise targeting choices. You can connect with a very specific set of people. Businesses can improve exposure and cut costs simultaneously by using one advertising campaign across numerous audiences thanks to the targeting choices. Secondly, there may be less expensive ways to spread your message because there are more than 100 million small business advertisers each month, which means competition isn't as fierce as it is on the other advertising platforms. Third, you can constantly identify the best combinations of marketing material, sales copy, and audiences owing to its integrated A/B split testing capabilities. Also, once you understand it, you might possibly earn millions of dollars because honestly, it's a pretty solid platform. Moreover, you can use Facebook's effective remarketing features to get the most out of your advertising budget. Well, with these amazing advantages comes a few disadvantages as well. There isn't any ideal medium for advertising. Facebook ads' major drawback is that it necessitates a lot of manual labor. You must put up your advertisement, choose your target market, and specify what you want people to do. If you don't, no one else besides you will be able to determine how many individuals are viewing your advertisements or taking the desired action. If you are just getting started, it can take a lot of time to get good results. It makes sense to work with a PPC management business like Profitable Ads. Now, the next thing to consider is the cost you will have to bear for a Facebook advertisement. Well, it's not simple. Your Facebook advertising budget will rely on a number of variables. This includes the target audience, bidding strategy, ad quality, anticipated Facebook user behavior, and more. We have broken down some significant figures for your Facebook ads benchmarks post to make it easy for you to understand. So, starting with the return on advertising investment, which is 6 to 10 times. Then we have the click-through rate, which is about 0.9%. Next we have the 9.21 average conversion rate. Then approximately 18.68% on average is spent on each action. Also, the cost per click average is 1.72%. So, you see, Facebook ads typically cost $0.97 per click and $7.19 for every 1,000 impressions, according to WebFX. Now let's see the other popular platform, which is TikTok. Advertising here is a way to promote your business to users who are making or viewing video content on the platform. It's a channel you don't want to miss out on, with over 1 billion monthly active users. Like many businesses that use Facebook and Instagram ads, you may either create a brand new ad particularly for TikTok, or you can reuse existing creative ads that have been proven effective on other platforms. Any effective TikTok ad should have 3 main elements. 1. An attention-grabbing opening. 2nd, an offer. And 3rd, a call to action. Don't forget to add some emotions. In order to get them to click the advertisement, hit on their pain areas and provide them a compelling incentive to do so. Alternatively, think about encouraging consumers to produce their own material to have a viral impact. Let's see the benefits of TikTok advertisements first. To be honest, this is an excellent approach to connecting with a group of people who have proven to be quite open and attentive to marketing. TikTok's strong top-of-funnel indicators, such as time spent watching video content, make it simpler for both big and small firms to assess the effectiveness of their marketing initiatives. Last but not least, there is a low barrier to entry because current creativity can be reused or created rather than having to start from scratch, allowing more money to be allocated to promotion rather than production expenditures. Now, there are some drawbacks to TikTok marketing as well. The main drawback of TikTok is that it's still in its early stages. Thus, there isn't as much information about it as there is about other well-known social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. It can take a lot of resources to produce a good quality content when making videos from scratch. There are also fewer format options available than with Facebook ads. Let's jump to the cost of TikTok advertisement. Well, such an advertisement typically costs $10 for 1,000 views or $1 for 1,000 impressions. Additionally, you must invest at least $500 in a campaign. In contrast to its rival, Facebook ads only charge $1 per day for ads based on impressions or $5 per day for clicks, likes, and other event-related actions. Although Facebook ads are less expensive, keep in mind that your audience targeting has a significant impact on this. This brings us to the question of which one is better. Although TikTok ads are more expensive upfront, they are frequently less expensive in the long run. On the other hand, Facebook ads have more options and allow for Instagram advertising. While TikTok ads are still affordable and fresh, we advise testing them. They can soar if people begin to understand the platform.